igoro ya AMAONCHORERIO baganetie ari na sensemo ya IEBC nigaenekea na abasali nigo baichoire ase kurenda abamerere be serikali Ntweroberetie rinde konyora obobui ase Bw'Obochori obonene.
Times have changed. I can tell you that if they try again, the whole world will descend on a government of William Ruto, which has now been categorized as a pariah. Pariah ni serikali ambayo haiaminiki, haina mipangilio, hata kama wanajipiga kifua na kuita watu wajinga. Nobody will take them seriously. This is revolutionary time. But we are doing it in an orderly manner. That's why we went and saw IEBC. Tukakubaliana. We've given them time. Tukakubaliana. We even setting up our own. Tutawapatia watu ambao watafanya kazi na wao to make sure those changes. Brother Eugene, those guys are clear. They are Kenyans. Nobody wants to have, at the end of the day, mud on their face. Aonekane yeye ni mjinga. Hata hii police, I think 3/4 are with us. They are Kenyans. Goons are the ones who are on their own. Those are for pay and they are for hire. Goons for hire. That is not a country. It is not a matter of kutapatapa, kulizana nini. We are very focused, and I want to assure you, even as we speak, if Rigiji was to give you, Fred, the actual opinion polling, which I want them to tell, if he can, the actual opinion polling, ndio William Ruto wache kusema atashinda na 3 million votes, atazitoa wapi? Azitoa wapi? Even the Rift Valley itself, you look at our brothers from Kajiado and from Narok, it is so clear, so overwhelming, that he is saying that in order to divert attention. Lakini sisi hatuta ogopa.